In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Amazon password on iPhone. This will work both on iOS devices and Android devices. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu and select over here on these three bars just like so. Then go ahead and select on account. From here, please go ahead and scroll down until you see account settings and then press on login and security. Once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and locate password, and then over there you guys actually are able to go ahead and view it whenever you do press on edit. So that is one way that you guys can go ahead and have access to your Amazon password. Also, if you use third-party password managers like LastPass, 1Password, or Dashlane, then you guys can check those platforms to see your Amazon account password. If you use Google on Amazon, then you guys can go ahead and locate Google Password Manager, and basically this is going to let you know all of your saved passwords. And yep, as you're able to tell, we do have Amazon.com right over here, so we can go ahead and access that. And the way it works is whenever you select on Amazon, you're going to need to sign into your Gmail account, and then you will have access to your Amazon password. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.